So here we are, room 600 at the El Cortez. This is a designer suite, and it's pretty sweet. Let's look around. We have this, which is some kind of a, looks like an alligator, but I don't know what it's supposed to be. Keurig coffee maker. The little pods are actually free. And the water. But not that water. Oh, look. Another sort of desert theme. Pretty good sized TV right here. On this wall. And then, yeah, looks like some kind of a tumbleweed. Nice little chair. Sort of coffee table. And a sofa. And look at that. Looks like a little end table, but it looks like a tree. In the corner, a little desk and chair. Some nice little design features on the wall. Big mirror. Makes the room feel bigger, that's what they say. And then you walk into the sort of bathroom space. Kind of an old school dresser. All along this wall you have a desert scene. It's quite bleak. Nice king-size bed. View is nothing to write home about. We're facing out the back way. Those are the El Cortez Cabana suites that you can see across the way. Otherwise, a mix of urban blight and mountains. If you're like me, you might have missed the safe, but it's in this little closet thing, which is behind a curtain. Also, there's some genuine sort of closet sort of things here, including robes. That's nice. Little robe, ironing board, hanging area there. So, like I said, if you're like me, you might think there is no closet and that there is no safe, but there is. Another TV on the wall over there. In this corner, we have the jetted tub, which is pretty cool. I'm ambivalent about jetted tubs, but I mean, you can bet I'm going to try it out at least. Then we go into the bathroom, which is still fairly small. Remember, this is a remodel of an older style room, even though it was a suite to start with. You have just sort of your generic bath shower unit. Wonder if there's a little window. Ah, the little window. Everywhere I go, there's little windows in the bathroom. I don't know why. Whatever. Little window in the bathroom. It's nice, but it's not a huge bathroom. But otherwise, I'm really, really impressed with this. This is one of several of these so-called big sleep design suites. And I thought this was a great deal. I'm staying here for one night because I wanted to stay downtown. $89 a night. I mean, a lot of hotels, the very base rooms were in the 60s. So I thought this was a great deal. And like I said, it's just super cool. So if you can get a good price on it, I'd certainly recommend trying it out. Never stayed at the El Cortez before. Look at that double door entryway. But anyway, so it's room 600. We're not very high up, but we are living high today here at the Designer Suites at the El Cortez. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.